So at Loughborough University, we've got 3 colonies, and in the height of summer we could have between 60 and 90,000 bees, and then that drops down a bit during the winter. We encourage honey production by using what are called supers, which are the small boxes you'll see on the top of the hive. And between the brood box at the bottom and the supers, we put a mesh, which is called a queen excluder. And what this does is it prevents the queen getting up into the supers and laying eggs, because she's not big enough to fit through the mesh. However, the worker bees can go through fine. So the bees will travel out. They'll go several miles to find nectar. They bring the nectar back, put it into the honeycomb, and then they dehydrate it. So the way they do that is by sucking it in, taking some of the water out and basically spitting it back out. And on particularly hot days you might see the bees fanning, which is where they stand with their abdomen in the air, flapping their wings to basically create air conditioning to further dehydrate the honey. And when it gets to less than 20% water content, that is then what we determine as honey, and it won't ferment and it will keep forever pretty much. And then to harvest the honey, we will take the frames out of the hive, uncap it, put it through a spinner so the honey actually comes out of the comb, and then we will sieve it and jar it.